Now I got now it's the next video. It's continue Mela. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna play a scary song. This like that, and then they will wake up, and then I will be peeking through the door with this mask. And before we do that, please subscribe because it's time to get scared. Subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notifications bell. And 3, 2, 1. Oh, hello. No. Get out. Hello. I came to frighten you a little bit with my friends here. Now it's time to die. Oh no. No. Oh. Hi. Yeah. Yeah. Did I get you, Annie? Did I get you? Oh my god, she was really scary. Annie, did I get you? Did I get you, Annie?
Yes, you did. I didn't get you.
Okay, bye. Hey guys, so bye bye guys.
Bye.
So we'll see you next time. Peace out.
Peace out.
What is up, guys? So today we are gonna be like filming something. So
I don't know. We just talked.
We'll be building some Lego. So what we'll be doing is today. Before I tell you, please subscribe, hit the bell notifications, and hit the thumbs like button.
And please.
And now
like
we'll
our
get
videos.
into it. So let's go a bit outside. Oh my gosh, guys. What is that noise, guys?
What is it? Really?
Guys,
It's creepy and
there's no one in here. There's that. There's no one. We're 100% sure that there was no one, and these gates are closed.
look, there's gates.
You can't really see. What is that, guys?
There's gates.
Yeah. What's that? Why did it get that?
I think they're stuck.